Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. We are currently up around 30 basis points and we have about an hour and a half till the market closes. So on the 1 hour chart, I do see us, or the natural gas, heading to the 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart. And that resistance is at the price of 22.73 cents. And for the 1 hour chart, I do see the MACD on the 4 hour chart turning positive, and they may happen when we reach the resistance level. On the daily chart, I do see the resistance level on the 1 hour chart does coincide with the 18-day moving average, and also the resistance does coincide with past support that dated back in February 8th. And as for support, this support will be dated back of last week, April 24th. And if we were to move down, that price movement will be about, I would say, close to 3.9% move down. And if we were to hit the resistance, that price movement will be around 1.4%. And on to the next module, I will be comparing the current trend that we are in with this trend that dated back in March 21st, 2013 to June 17th, 2013. I'll point out why these two charts are similar, so let's get started. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend are candles touching the upper Bollinger Band. Afterwards, it does find support in the middle Bollinger Band, but it does break eventually. And then afterwards, we do see a downtrend continuing down right along the lower Bollinger Band. And then we have another buying attempt to push close to the middle Bollinger Band, but not quite, and it got rejected, and then we continue on down onto the lower Bollinger Band. And then we see another second attempt of hitting the middle Bollinger Band, and I do believe we may hit that. That coincides with the 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart, or the 18-day moving average on the technical analysis that I did. So what we have here in the beginning was candles touching the upper Bollinger Band. Afterwards, we find support in the middle Bollinger Band. Afterwards, we touch the bottom Bollinger Band, and then again, but in this case, we do touch and reach above the middle Bollinger Band, but it does fail and grinds right along the bottom Bollinger Band. And we'll make this red, and let's move a little bit long, and we do see an attempt to reach the middle Bollinger Band, and we'll make this blue. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points are similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points that are similar, and let's make this red because it's near the middle Bollinger Band. So there are 6 similar points. There's reason to believe that if the trend is similar, the forecast will also be similar. So let's check this forecast. So I will go day by day, where March 21st, 2013 to June 17th, 2013 will head to. Natural gas in 1 day, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So back then, natural gas, or ETF UNG, fell down around 4.4% in 1 week. So that's a definite possibility we may encounter. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.